everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I will be talking about a very important DAX function, and that is format function. So format function basically converts a value to a text based on the format that you specify. And today I will show you some examples where by using format function you can extract various useful information out of a date field. First, let me show you some scenarios where we can use format function for a date field. Suppose you have a date table that consists of just a date field, and this is the field. Now you have some requirements. For example, you need to present the data in this format like month hyphen year, or you need to present the date in this format like year and then the number of month like 201201. Or if you want to convert this only to the full name of the month, how you can do that. Or sometimes if you need to extract the day, the name of the day or the abbreviation of the day, how can you do that? So these are very few examples, but let's get back to the function where I can show you how you can use format function and you can extract this kind of information. So first, let me go to new column and say I want to extract the month number. Let's use the format function. So it is my date field, comma. After that, you need to specify the text format that you want to extract. So always make sure that you specify that format within double quotes. Now to retrieve the month number, let's start with M, just M, and then hit OK. See here, you are getting the month number. But now if you want to show leading zero for the single digit month number, how can you do that? For that, you just need to add one more M to it and let's save it. So see here, now for the single digit month number, you are able to add a leading zero to it. Now let's go for month name. Let me create another field. Let's name it as month name. So again, I will use format function. I'll specify the date field, comma, within double quotes. So for the month name, let's keep it as MMM and OK. So see here. So if you want to get the abbreviation of the month name, then you have to specify MMM and you will get the result. What if I want to get the full name of the month? How can I do that? So let me create another field and keep the name as month name, format, date, comma. Now I will specify MMM 4 times and see. So now you are able to get the full name of the month. Next, we will see how can I get the year information. So for that, again, let me create another field. And let's name it as year. I will use format function, date, comma. Let's first keep as YY and hit OK. So you can see you are getting for 2012 just 12 and for 2013, 13, 14, 15. But it is always better to show the complete year. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just specify it as YYYY. So 4 times Y and that's it. Okay. And your year field is also ready. Now let's again go back to the report that I was showing. So how can I get this information where you are seeing month hyphen year, or how I can get this information where it is like year and then the number of month? Again, let's go back and let's create these fields. So first I will create abbreviation of month. So let's keep it as MMM-YYYY. So again you use format, then specify the date, comma. Now we will specify this as MMM. So MMM will give me the abbreviation of the month, then hyphen, and YYYY will give me the complete year. So I will specify it like this, and that's it. So this is how you can get month hyphen year information. Now what if I want to get year and the month number information? Let me create another field, new column. I'll keep the name as YYYY and MM. Again, I will use format function, then date, comma, and now I will specify it as YYYY and MM. That's it. So see, now I am able to combine year and month number. Now we have seen how we can get the information related to month and year. Let's see how we can get the information related to day. So again, let me create another field. Keep it as day number. Format, date, comma. Let's just keep it as just D. One more thing, this is not case sensitive. As in the previous calculation, you have seen somewhere I'm using uppercase, somewhere I'm using lowercase. So it's up to you. It's not a case sensitive matter. Again, if you want to add a leading zero to the single digit day number, all you have to do is just add another D to it. And see here, you can see the leading zero has been added to the single digit day number. Now, what if I want to get the day name? How can I get that? For that, let me again create a field. So this one will be my day name. So format, date, comma. Now I will specify it as DDD 3 times. Basically, if you want to get the abbreviation of the month name, you have to specify M 3 times. And similarly, if you want to get the abbreviation of the day name, you have to specify D 3 times. It's a very easy way to remember. Now, what if I want to get the full name of the day? Again, let me add another column. So the name will be day name full. Format, date, comma. Now I'll specify D 4 times, just like month full name, and see. So you can see here, I'm getting the full name of the day. Just by using one single function, I am able to retrieve a lot of information out of this date field. So I think now you have gained some knowledge on how to use format function in DAX and what kind of fields you can create just using a date field. And this is very helpful whenever you have this kind of requirement where you just have one date field and you need to create this kind of combination. Yeah, this format function is very useful. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.